Hello everyone, my name is Salih Hudayar. I'm the International and Political Officer of the East Turkistan National Awakening Movement. I would like to call on China to shut down the Chinese concentration camps in East Turkestan, and I would like to call on the international community to prevent another mass genocide from occurring in the 21st century. As we are speaking, over 3 million Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, Uzbeks, Tatars, and other peoples of East Turkestan are in so-called political and cultural re-education concentration camps. Since China occupied East Turkestan on December 20th, 1949, millions of East Turkestan's innocent people have been slaughtered using various means of genocide. China has marginalized the Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples of East Turkestan through colonial policies, bringing us to the situation we are in today.